A number of you are looking to make charts using Microsoft Excel, and I decided to make this short video on how you actually go about doing that. As you know already, Excel is made up of lots of little boxes called cells, and these cells can be referenced using the headings across the top and the numbers down the side. It's organised into columns and rows, and so I'm currently clicking in cell C3, and you can see it's highlighted on that as well. Knowing that is really helpful when it comes to working in Excel for a whole number of reasons. What I'm going to show you now, though, very quickly, is how we can turn some simple information into a chart, and how you can then actually edit some of the features of that chart to put different things in there. And you'll see all of those in just a few moments. So it might be that you have some data in there. Let's say it's some test data. You've got 3 people. You've got Mark and Cara and Matt, and Mark has scored 5, Cara has scored 10, and Matt has scored 7. Now what we'd like to do is to plot that information onto a chart, and there are different ways you can do it. And a simple way would be to just highlight the names and the headings like so, and then it's simply a case of going to the Insert ribbon and choosing the sort of chart that you would like from here. Okay, so given that it's a scoring thing, a column or a bar might be the best option. I'm going to go for a column chart, and there are lots of different types of column chart you can choose from. Simple is often best, so there's that one there. And here's my chart, like so. Now the series information could come from the top here, but I'm actually not going to bother to have a series in mind at all, so I'm going to delete that away. You've got lots of different options in the chart tools in Excel as well. You can choose lots of different colours, which are very simple to do, and backgrounds and what have you. If you're not happy with any of those as well, you can actually go in and change those manually, so you can choose whichever colours you actually want yourself. So if I want that one to be blue and this one to be yellow, it's just simply a case of choosing the colours that you want. You can give it a border around the outside, a certain colour, and different things. So once that's in place, you can actually add extra bits on, and that happens in the layout section just here. So data labels, for example, you can put on, and that can show you what the actual score is, and you can choose whereabouts that label actually goes: outside end, by the base, inside end, so forth and so on. And in more data label options, you can actually choose other information to go in there as well, such as the category name or the series name. And you can change global settings for your formatting for your labels and your sections on your chart as well. I'll leave you to fiddle around with those and find out about what they can do, but suffice to say, just go into the different sections, choose what you want, and you can then see how different things are affected. And by putting that shadow on there, you'll have noticed now a little shadow's appeared underneath those labels. No chart would be complete without a title, so go to Chart Title and choose that. And I always put in a title which always starts Chart to Show, so you can then say what the chart shows. So here, chart show results of a test. And so there you have a nice little chart, formatted so it looks like you want it to look. It's got a nice title on it, it's clear, and you can use it in here. And as with all other Microsoft products, you can just cut it, okay, and then you can put it anywhere that you want it to. Perhaps another sheet, like so, or into another document like a PowerPoint or a Word file, whatever you wanted. One final thing, if you select your charts, okay, you can actually choose to put your charts as a whole worksheet. So if you go to Move Charts, rather than moving it to a different sheet, you just go to New Sheet. You could just call it Results, click OK, and then you'll get a whole new tab in your workbook, and on that tab you only see the chart, nothing else. That's it, the basics of charting. Thank you.